Have you seen a mermaid before? Huh? What color was it? Hey guys, it's Ohwge and welcome back or welcome to my channel. So today I'm just gonna do a very simple eye look. I'm thinking like warm tones, reds, browns, stuff like that. So yeah, let's get right into this video. So first up, my brows. I'm just going to brush them out real quick. Next, I'm going to fill them in with this Ever Beauty Longwear Gel Liner. It's an eyeliner, but I use it for my brows. This brow, the left one, is naturally higher on my face than this side. I don't know, that's just how my face is. So now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This shade is Pure Beige. So I'm just going to blend this in and down a little. Next, I'm taking my Inglot Perfect Cover Up Foundation and I'm going to use that for the top of my brows. After the Rainbow series, I didn't upload a video because I just decided to take a short break, you know, because I actually filmed like every single day of that week. So how's summer going, you guys? Hot girl summer. Now I'm gonna prep my lids using the same concealer I used earlier in Pure Beige. I don't know what's wrong with my voice. It's weird today. I'm taking this palette, as you guys know, with the neutral tones and stuff. I'm gonna take this shade right here. Alright, so I'm gonna take this brush, which is clean, it's just colored. I'm gonna take this shade right here. You guys, I am so excited for Little Mermaid. I'm also excited that Halle Bailey is gonna be playing Ariel because Black girl magic. And on top of that, I'm sure you guys have seen the not my Ariel hashtag or whatever, and I was just like shocked, to be honest. That was actually trending. Not my Ariel, seriously, I couldn't believe it. I was like, okay, is this a joke? Because people are so pressed. Oh, she's supposed to be white, she has white skin. I'm like, she's a mermaid, she could have had any color of skin, like it doesn't matter, okay? And people are like, oh, this person should play the role, this person should play the role. I'm like, yeah, okay, because they are redheads or what? Like, that doesn't make any sense. There are black people who are naturally blonde. There are black people who are naturally redheads. People just think, oh, you have blue eyes, you're blonde, you're white. Like anything else, it's like you're faking it or you're trying to be something you're not. I'm like, that is so dumb. Halle, she's talented, she's an actress, she's a singer, and she can sing. Like, as far as Little Mermaid is concerned, that was the main thing. She was this sea creature who could sing and who happened to fall in love with some guy on land. Like, she wasn't a black girl, she wasn't a white girl, she was a mermaid first before anything. So it doesn't really matter. And then the fact that people were bringing up historical figures in Disney like Pocahontas and Tiana, I'm like, that doesn't make any sense. These characters are based on actual people, humans, like actual events. I don't know how people think, honestly, but like the racism, it jumped out. The fact that people want to boycott Disney over a black girl playing a mermaid. Have you seen a mermaid before? Huh? What color was it? So now I'm going to take my Misunderstood palette. So I'm using Flotsam, this champagne color right here. I'm going back into this palette. I'm taking this reddish tone again, closer to the shimmer color I just added. I'm dusting out. So next I'm taking this Baked Blush Goddess from Beauty UK, and I'm just gonna pat some on my lid as well in the same inner corner. Next up, eyeliner. I'm using my Inglot liner. I can't be the only one that has a preferred side of the face. I love this side of my face, especially when it comes to liner. I tend to do this side better almost every time. For my lashes, I'm using this Colossal Volume Express Mascara. This is from ADS. My lashes, I'm using the Smink 3D hair lashes. So I'm just gonna throw this on real quick and be right back. Okay guys, so I'm done with my lashes now. I'm just wiping off the excess product around my eyes. Next, I'm using my Perfect Mattifying Face Primer from Classic Makeup. So next, my Milani Concealer and Perfect Foundation. This shade is Golden Tan. Stress. Alright. Well, that is the end of that. I'm just gonna use my Inglot's foundation. I'm gonna top that up with my beauty blender. To conceal, I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now this dry down. It's supposed to help it stay better. I don't even know. Sha, just let it chill small. Let's do this. I crease under my eyes so bad. Oh my gosh. I've tried so many things. Maybe next is Botox or something. I don't know. Next, I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So I'm going to take this Classic Makeup pressed powder and I'm just going to dust off. So now I'm taking my Jordana Forever Flawless pressed powder. This shade is Warm Cocoa and I'm just going to contour, bronze up my face. So I'm taking this Classic Makeup pressed powder. This shade is Pure Light. I'm just going to dust all over. For my lower lash line real quick, the same palette. I'm going to take this red and mix that in with some black. So setting spray real quick for lips. I'm going to line with this Malva pencil real quick. Now I'm taking this Evil Queen matte lip from ColourPop. So now I'm just going to go by with my nude lips from LN Professional. Moving on to highlights. I'm using this Super Shock highlighter from ColourPop. This shade is Fairest of All. I'm going to take a little bit of the same highlighter for my inner corner, my bottom lashes, and again, setting spray. So guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. Leave me a nice little comment in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hey guys. Hey guys. What's wrong with my voice? Let's try this again.